Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best RC airplane fixed-wing reviews. The FMS 64mm F-16 Fighting Falcon RC airplane is a high-performance fixed-wing aircraft model crafted from durable foam with an electric brushless duct fan system. Designed for stability and power, it offers smooth flight control and realistic details. A perfect remote control plane gift for hobbyists and aviation enthusiasts.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.